Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Cyclone 2. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate sticks and trigger. To calibrate sticks and triggers, firstly press and hold View button, Menu button and Home button until Home button blinks white slowly. Make sure not to touch the LT and RT and the left-right joysticks. Now press A button. The home will turn off. Press LT and RT to their maximum travel. And now rotate the left and right joystick to their maximum angle in 3 times cycles. Then press A button and the calibration is confirmed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.